This is Bruce Wayne's car. How crazy is this? So this is the Mercedes-Benz AMG Vision GT. Let's go. Car doesn't actually drive in real life. It only drives in the movies. This is the exact car that Ben Affleck, as Bruce Wayne, Batman, drove in Justice League. Just take a look at the interior here. The last time you saw this drive was in that movie. There is only one of these cars. This is kind of a Project One looking steering wheel. Let's take you around the car because there are some really cool features. Mercedes actually had to make this car 10% bigger than the original version just so that Batman could get in and out of the car. Take a look at this around the back. Look at these 8 tailpipes here. And the cool thing is they match the air vents. It's mirrored here. Now guys, because this is a movie car, it has fictional specs only. A bit-turbo V8 with 585 horsepower. Come around the front. These rims, out of this world. SLS style doors. And then, look at this. You've got 2 fuel caps, one here on the left, and then one here on the right. Now, you go, why? Well, it makes it super easy then pulling into a gas station. You don't have to work out which side to fill up on. And the coolest thing is Mercedes brought this car here to me in Berlin to kickstart my TV show. How crazy is that? Car Cruise with Supercar Blondie. Massive, massive thanks to Mercedes. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. What do you think of the car?